Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable salad dressing, updated. Start by whisking olive oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper in a bowl until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. Next, taste and tweak acidity or salt in small increments. For a creamier option, stir in plain yogurt or mayonnaise by the tablespoon. Finish with fresh herbs for brightness and toss with salad just before serving for best texture. For a creamy vegetables salad dressing, whisk Greek yogurt with lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil until smooth and tangy. Add a teaspoon of honey for balance and a pinch of salt to enhance flavors. If the dressing is too thick, thin it with a tablespoon or two of water or milk until it coats greens lightly. Finish with chopped chives or dill to add a fresh herbal note that brightens the whole salad. To elevate your vegetables salad dressing, mash roasted garlic into the dressing for a sweet, mellow depth that complements greens. For savory umami, stir in a small amount of anchovy paste or white miso, which dissolves and enriches flavor without tasting fishy. Brighten everything with citrus zest and a splash of juice for acidity. Always taste as you go, balancing salt, acid, and fat until the dressing sings with harmony.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.